Alright, let me get the skinny triangle cutter. Skinny one is one without any handles on it. If you look at the bottom, you can see that's not full 90. Point goes where the two lines meet up. Alright, bending them. I'm going to grab my box. I'll help you use as a reference. Set that down. Alright, special order again. I'm going to do the smaller one first. This first line I'm going to bend as far as I can and flatten it. Alright, now I'm going to do my 1/2 inch tabs on the end. Make sure you leave the line exposed so you're not cutting your lid a little bit skinny. 90 degrees. Alright, now this line I can't bend in here because I'll smash the parts already bent. So I gotta come over. This one I'm going to bend so I can close up that triangle. Just like that. Alright, small one is going to go on the short side. So you can see that's how it'll fit. Plenty of room. Now I'm going to do the same thing for this one. This one, I'm not doubling anything over. So I'm going to do my 1/2 inch tabs. 90. Alright, over on this one, I'm going to close up the triangle again. Alright, I will bend this line, but I'm going to use my toolbox as kind of as a gauge for it. Big one goes on the taller side. Alright, if everything worked out right, this one we're going to bend on this same angle. So I'm going to start it on the big one, just because I should have enough room. And I'll get a little bit cleaner of a bend. Alright, if I go till the tab is hitting, it should be pretty close. I may have to go a little bit further. It's a little wide. Then I'll come over I can tweak it just a little bit. There we go. And there's the end. That'll be it. I'll make another video where I put the lid pieces on. Alright, for those you'll need hinges. So you'll see those on the next one.